So, the first thing then is to place the patient-specific drill guide. So you have an anterior mark.
This one is anterior.
Yeah, so that would be anterior there.
Okay.
And there is, now, on this specific guide here, you can see a contour.
Okay.
Here, and that's the same contour
As your
you have
trochlea.
here.
Or of your trochlea.
Yeah, the same, yeah, following the
Trochlea.
cartilage.
Okay.
Now, this guide, what they have started to do more now also is that the engineers, is that they actually sort of hook the guide around this cartilage. So in surgery it will be a little bit of a stop there. But we can find this position now, so that contour will follow there.
Yep.
So we'll see it will be, and we can also feel here that it will be, you know, in the right position, and then you drill it down. Okay, perfect. Right. So this is the first step now, and then you will check that it sits tight on the cartilage everywhere, and you will also check inside that it sits tight on. Now this is a twin, so there you have an insert, and the purpose with this is that you can turn it 180 degrees because you need to drill twice for both the pegs.
Okay.
So you start off like that, and what you do now in the first place is that you do a initial drilling, just using the tip of the drill to get the right angle in.
Okay.
So this is a
You give
sturdy
the right
input.
angle.
Yeah. So this is a sturdy input. Okay. So this is very tight, so you need to find the right angle and slide it in. Yeah.
Okay. And then drill?
Yeah. And drill. Okay, perfect.
Okay. And then you reverse it, okay?
Then you take it out. Yeah, oh sorry, yeah, you're right.
So
Good.
reverse
You're
it.
a quick learner.
So then,
And drill again. Okay, perfect.
this one.
And then the next step, you can keep this in now,
Okay.
then you take this one, and that has a starting position.
Okay.
So you will find a mark there to align with this anterior mark here.
Okay.
There you go.
Perfect.
Now, what happens now is that you will use the full drill and drill the hole for the implant. You keep drilling all the way down, all the way down. There you go. All the way down.
Perfect.
I will make a big mess of your desk here. Turn it around, and you drill again. Great. Now, in reality, in your OR,
Wash, yeah,
you would
wash.
have a lot of water.
Wash.
Yes, and wash it. And you will also check so that you don't have any debris or a cartilage edge down there.
So which is up, which is down?
You have, if you look at the implant there, you have a little dot for the anterior mark. It will be there,
This,
I think.
okay,
You
so
can
this
see
is-
that. But that's, you're not ready for that yet.
Okay.
Because the design here now is that from the beginning, when you drill in the zero position, if you would put the implant in, it would be flush or maybe a little bit proud.
Proud. Okay.
And that's from a safety point of view, so
Okay.
that you don't drill too deep.
Perfect.
This is an exact copy of the implant.
So you
It's
put
called
it-
a dummy, and you have an anterior mark on that one as well, and that's the line
This one.
there.
Okay. So
You put that in,
Okay.
And then what you
Will
can
you
do is-
remove this one?
we will eventually. So now what you can do, you can take the blunt end of a K-wire, for instance,
Okay.
you can put that down there, and you can try to feel which one is higher, the dummy or the cartilage.
It's perfect actually. Actually, it's good. Looks good.
Is it? Oh, great. If you're happy with that, if it's like 0.5 millimeter to 1 millimeter below the cartilage
Okay.
and all the way around, then we can take we take 2 of these pins out.
Okay. And maybe drill a little bit more.
Because if you can see now, I mean in reality it will be too high.
Okay.
Now, this is a soap one, so it's not.
That's
all
okay.
that
So maybe 2 millimeters more we can do. Yep.
you have a window of
Angles.
2 millimeters.
Okay.
Each step is 0.2 millimeters.
Okay.
0.2 mm.
So let's do
Yeah.
it.
So if you
So let's do 0.2
okay, so then you
Yes.
yes,
and 2
And then you
times
drill
again.
correct. Slide it down before you start to drill, and then you and then you drill. Perfect. Perfect.
Let's do it. Let's check the. Okay. Looks good. This is anterior. This is the anterior one.
Yes, yes, mark is there.
So the other way around.
No, the anterior is okay on the top. Okay. I think that's perfect. Let's go ahead with the fixation. It's good.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
Okay, that's perfect. So
Now
then
we
we
can
take
put the original
the
implant. Remove
yeah,
the
we
pins.
take this
Take
pins
the pins out. Okay. Take this out.
Here.
Now what you can do, now we are pretty sure it's okay, but in surgery, what you can do is that you take 2 of the pins out, you keep 1 in,
Okay.
because then you can slide the guide up
Okay.
and do a final test. If you need to go back, you already have the correct position of this guide, so you just slide it back on and drill again. Like this. We can actually keep it on there, that's okay. That's fine.
That's okay.
So
And
then now you do a final test with the
Okay.
dummy.
Yeah, you just step like that. Yeah, yeah.
Anterior mark again.
looks good. Perfect.
It is good. That is a very good
Now the
surgery.
original one.
And you have the anterior mark there.
Okay. This one. This
The
one.
little dot. Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
So you put it here,
Yes.
right there.
Yes. And you put it
Yeah,
in by
from
hand
the end, yes.
first.
Okay.
And then you have this impactor. And again you have an anterior mark because this is a mirror
On this.
of the surface there.
Some beat hammer here.
Probably use this one as a hammer. Use this.
Yeah, yeah, done.
Perfect. Yep. It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yes.
It's beautiful.
दिमाग लगायो है ना?
It's beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. Trochlea. It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. Yeah. It's very good.
Yes.
We'll hope to do first surgery very soon.